Hi there. If you're searching for the best BingX referral code, you've found it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your BingX experience with the referral code CHUCHU and unlock some amazing bonuses. Whether you're searching for a BingX promo code, BingX sign-up code, or BingX bonus code, this is all you need. It's super simple to get started. 1. Click the top link in the description. This will take you directly to the BingX sign-up page. 2. Automatic code application. The BingX referral code, CHUCHU, will be automatically applied when you create your account. 3. Maximize your bonuses. By using CHUCHU, you can unlock up to 5,000 plus in USDT rewards. This includes bonuses for signing up, making your first deposit, and completing your first trade. BingX offers new users a sign-up bonus of up to 5,000 USDT. The bonus is structured based on your deposit amount and trading volume. Here's how it works. Welcome bonus. As a new user, you can receive a 30 USDT mystery box bonus just for signing up. Trading fee. Discount. Enjoy a 20% discount on trading fees when you use the referral code CHUCHU. Deposit and trading volume bonuses. For example, depositing 100 USDT and reaching a trading volume of 500 USDT qualifies you for a 10 USDT trial fund. Larger deposits and higher trading volumes can unlock even more substantial bonuses, up to the full 5,000 USDT. To maximize your bonus, be sure to meet the specific deposit and trading volume requirements. BingX is one of the fastest-growing crypto exchanges, offering a user-friendly interface and a variety of trading options like spot, futures, and grid trading. It's a secure platform that's perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. Don't miss out on these exclusive rewards. Click the link below, sign up with the BingX referral code CHUCHU, and start trading with a head start today. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading.